St. Anthony's Hardware Private Limited was established under the proceedings of late Deshamanya Mr. A.Y.S. Jnanam in 1942. Being the market leader in the business industry, the company has a network of companies like Tokyo Cement Company and St. Anthony's Hardware Private Limited, which are introducing diversified products under the guidance of our Managing Director, Mr. S.R. Jnanam. Throughout 6 decades, St. Anthony's Hardware Private Limited has gained a reputation as a dependable and innovative manufacturer and supplier of construction, industrial, hardware and engineering products. Contributing towards the company's objective of being a leading construction and hardware product supplier in par with the group's international reputed brands such as Iron Hill, Husqvarna, Rockwood, WaterTech, Hansa, W.R. Grace, Dari, Face, Prince, Kent and so on. Today, the world is facing an energy crisis. Most of energy sources are creating global warming and climate change. So, the global attention has turned towards harnessing environmentally friendly sources of energy to minimize the effects of global warming and climate change. Being the pioneer of preserving a greener Sri Lanka, we are introducing a solar water heating system for industrial and domestic consumption. Around 90% people in China, one of the most technologically advanced countries in the world, are consuming this solar water heating system, and people in the European and Canadian countries are also using the same system. Compared to the regular solar panels, this technologically advanced solar water heating system is equipped with a versatile solar vacuum tube system which provides faster heating and is energy efficient, and hence St. Anthony Solar System is certified with CE, ISO 9001-2000 and ECC quality certificates. St. Anthony Solar Water Heating System is totally eco-friendly and will help save energy, money and time of consumers. The solar water heating system has well extended in areas like Nuwara, Haputale, Badulla, as this product is energy efficient in heating when compared to other competitor products available in the market.
මම සෝලා එකක් ගන්න හිතුවේ මම දැක්ක පත්තරේ St. Anthony's consolidated වලින් මෙහෙම water heater හයි කරනවායි කියලා. ඉතින් මට ඒක හුඟක් benefited කියලා හිතුණා.
මේ බණ්ඩාරවගේ ප්‍රදේශයක ගොඩක් උණු වතුර අවශ්‍යතාවයක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ නිසා මේක තෝරගන්න ලොකු හේතුවක් වුණා. මෙච්චර කාල අපි භාවිතා කරේ ගීසර් එකක්, සාමාන්‍ය ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ගීසර් එකක්. ඒකට ලොකු වියදමක් වැය වුණා. ඉතින් මේ සිස්ටම් එක දාගත්තායින් පස්සේ අපිට ලොකු වියදම අඩු වෙලා ලොකු වාසියක් සිද්ධ වුණේ.
අවුරුදු 10ක ගැරන්ටි එකකුත් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අවුරුදු 10ක් මට උණු වතුර ලැබුණත් ඒත් ඇති. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ තරම් මේක හුඟක් ප්‍රතිලාභ හම්බ වෙනවා අපිට.
hot water එකට යන්න හිතුනේ මේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිසිටි බිල් එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් හින්දා වැඩි වෙන නිසා අපි hot water system එකේ දී St. Anthony's තෝරගත්තා.
දැන් අපි මීට කලින් සෝලා එකක් පාවිච්චි කරා. ඒ සෝලා එකේ අපි කොහොමත් මාස 6ක් 7ක් පාවිච්චි කරා. නමුත් අපිට ඒක තේරුණා අපි ඒ කියන්නේ වැය කරපු මුදල ප්‍රමාණයට ප්‍රතිඵලයක් ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රයෝජනයක් නැහැ කියලා. ඒ නිසා අපි වෙනත් කම්පැනි එකකට කතා කරලා අපි අලුතෙන් සෝලා එකක් හයි කරා. ඒකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය තමයි කලින්ට වැඩිය වතුර ඒ කියන්නේ රත් වීමක් එකකින් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වුණා. ඇත්තටම මේක තියෙනවා.
විශේෂයෙන්ම කියන්න ඕන St. Anthony's solar power system එක ඒකේ තියෙන නව තාක්ෂණ භාවිතා කිරීම සහ වැඩි capacity එකක් ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වය තිබෙනවා. ඒ නිසා ඒක ගොඩක් වැදගත්. ඒ වගේම පාරිභෝගිකයන් සඳහා ලබා දෙන සේවාව හුඟක් වැදගත් වෙනවා. අපි කියන ඕනෑම අවස්ථාවක ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ සේවාව අපිට ලබා ගැනීම පහසුකම තියෙනවා.
You can get more benefits by using this solar water heating system. This system is consisting with variety of models that are suited with regular domestic tubes and pressure systems. You can catch any kind of capacities like 100, 150, 165, 200, 300 liters according to your usage. The technologically advanced vacuum tubes are absorbing heat is made 100% protection to you. The water temperature is about 80 degrees. This system can be used in domestic use, hotels, rest houses, hospitals, industries and so on. St. Anthony solar water heating system is more energy efficient than regular solar panel systems. This system can rise up its temperature quickly and efficiently. St. Anthony's solar system has been facilitated with a booster where you can plug into electricity in any case if required. We are proud to announce that St. Anthony's are providing you after-sales services with 10 years warranty for manufacturing defects. We are offering you a free of charge island-wide transportation and service of experienced technical assistance to install this system. The solar water heating system is in two models: compact non-pressure solar water heater. The water will be heated continuously between water tank and vacuum tube. Compact pressure solar water heater. Highly efficient heat pipe transfer the heat energy into storage tank in one direction. No water contains inside vacuum tubes, so the solar water heater can still work even due to breakage of some tubes. Based on your requirement, you can make a good selection, suit your income, and it makes easier and save your energy and time. The solar water heating system has technologically advanced vacuum glass tubes and copper covers which absorb heat efficiently to the tank. Water does not blend with its copper cover, so the product brings 100% protection to you. Now let's do a simple test to measure the efficiency, effectiveness and speed of the solar water heating system. We need a vacuum tube and a thermometer. First, we keep the vacuum tube in a dark place. Then we measure the temperature of the vacuum tube by using this thermometer. After that, we should keep the vacuum tube in a light place where the sunshine comes directly. Then we measure the changes of the temperature after 10, 20 and 30 seconds. By analyzing the data we obtain, we can identify clearly the rising up of temperature within a short time period. Let's do another simple test. We keep the vacuum tube in a light place. We put drop of water into the tube. We can check whether the solar water heating system is matched with our needs by doing this kind of test. We at St. Anthony's are proud to say that we are contributing to build up a greener world by minimizing energy crises through technologically advanced, environmentally friendly products. Our ultimate effort is to keep up your trust for the St. Anthony's Private Limited, which we have built during the last 6 decades.